First you gotta forgive me. Let me know everything will be okay.
I'm so excited because I did twists before and they've become my favorite. So today I'm going to be showing you some bulk hair with different textures. This is the 3A, 3B, 3B, 3C, 3C, 4A, 4A, 4B. This is my texture, and then this is 4B, 4C. So there are a lot of different options, a lot of different choices to choose from that will match your hair. It will look more natural, and they also sent over some goodies to use when you're doing your twists. This is how the hair came. It was a normal 1B color, but I did go in with the high color black onyx, and I put some hot water and did a little soaking, so now it matches my hair. I'm going ahead and doing my roots first. This took about 2 hours. I did this the first day, and then I did the twist the second day. So I'm just braiding the roots. I feel like this makes the process go by faster for me. I don't know. And even when I wear my hair in like a ponytail with the roots alone being done, it still looks good. So I recommend doing this because it makes, like, I don't know, in my head it makes it seem like the process is going by faster, but this is just the process that I took. Alright, and this is the next day. Okay, so before I even start, I wanted to show you guys a detail on how I'm attaching the hair. So I am taking one of the extensions, like one of the bulk hair, and I'm twisting it around my hair, rolling it around each twist. I put a little bit of braiding gel, and then I'm wrapping the extension around my hair. So I use about 2 pieces per twist, but sometimes I would rip those 2 pieces in another 2, so it's like 4 pieces, but it's still 2 of the bulk hair pieces, if that makes any sense. So this is how the hair is turning out. I 100% recommend this. I tried this before with the other hair and I really like it, but this one just matching my texture even more, it makes it super pretty. And it's also easier to braid because the pieces are easy to pull apart.
Good luck.
Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me. Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Let's make me believe it. Believe you won't deceive me. First you gotta forgive me. Let me know everything will be okay. Even if I come back at everything I did, they just never punish me. Even though I did it a long time ago. If so, let me know. If I propose, would you say no? Would you break my heart? Would you embarrass me or play your part? Baby, don't fold. My heart is yours. You got the power, pussy power. You got the power, pussy power. The flow is yours, the time is ours. I'm ready to believe me on you now. You can believe me like you want. If you leave me, I'm gonna fall. Baby, you told me, hey. That's made me believe it. That's made me believe it. Believe you won't deceive it. That's made me believe it. That's made me believe it. Believe you won't deceive it. You told me that you kill me if I fuck up. You told me I'm a lucky motherfucker. You love me, but you never ever trust him. You never ever trust me. There's two sides to the story, and that girl got a good PR. I knew we never make it far, because I like my niggas black as mama car. Tell me you love me, cause I know they won't. They wanna fit in for the photo shoot. Put them aside, baby, I know this you. My niggas like baby, they liking you. My family like it, yeah, I like you. My mama was like that, she's like you. She wanna know why did you say the way. That's when me believe it. That's when me believe it. Believe you won't deceive it. That's when me believe it. That's when me believe it. Believe you won't deceive it. Anything you want, baby, you got. Yeah. Can't nobody run up on your side. No. Right away, know you play shit. Not for play, I'm here to stay. Yeah. I ain't ashamed of you. Got no problem claiming you. But baby, just slow down, slow down. Baby, just give me all your love, all your love. Yeah. They don't need to know what's going on between us. Hey, yeah, yeah. And I don't love you any less, but they don't need to know. They don't need to know. They don't need to know what's going on between us. All you need to know is that I need us. I've been here before you couldn't keep up. I've been here before you couldn't keep up. Don't lose your focus, don't lose your hoping. Me, there's reasons for what I do. You ever notice these people nosy? Worry, so worry, but wait, worry, but wait. Hold on, hold on. Baby, just give me all your love, all your love. Yeah. They don't need to know what's going on.
Alright guys, it's the next day, so now I'm gonna style the hair so we can see different looks. And I'm really liking this hair because the twist I did before with the bulk hair, you know, now they have the hair textures to actually match our natural hair. This matches my hair perfectly. You cannot see where my natural hair stops and the extensions begin. So I really like this. I'm gonna put it up. Let me try a hairstyle. Oh, I want to do my edges. This is how the hair is looking. Tell me if you guys rate this 10 out of 10, because I rate this a 10 out of 10. Okay, and I already showed you how I connected the extensions to my hair, so I'll leave all of the links to Hotbraids down below if you guys are interested in this hair. I 100% recommend this hair, okay? 100%. Also, make sure that you wash it. I think I did include a clip of me washing the hair because I colored it to match my hair because my hair is dark brown, so the natural brown is a little too light, so I did color it. I'm gonna put up the hair color that I used to color it on the screen, and yeah, it took to the color really well. You can literally see like everything just looks like so natural, one tone, you know. You can't see where my hair starts and the extensions begin. So yeah, I really like this. So let me show you guys some different hairstyles you can achieve with this hair, and yeah, you can choose whether or not, and I'll have the links down below. So first hairstyle is just regular. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. This is how the hair is looking. I'm absolutely loving this more natural hair. Literally your edges can breathe and grow back. If you enjoyed this video or you're interested in this bulk hair, I will have it linked down below. You could find your hair texture on Hotbraids website. If I have any coupon codes or discounts, I'll also have it in my description box below. Thank you guys so much for checking out this channel, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.